Settings start giving me trouble, and it's like a 4-cylinder misfire. So and this is what I bought for this thing. This is the last thing we're gonna change in this car and see what happens, because I did change a lot of things. Did change the coils. I did change the spark plugs. I even changed the fuel injector, the fourth fuel injector. Change coil. Change fuel injector. The fourth one didn't fixed. All the spark plugs are new. So I think the last thing I'm gonna try to do to this car, ECM. ECM, and we'll see what's happening. So I'm gonna try post this video if it's gonna help to this car. If not, I'm probably gonna post it anyway, because I think I'm just gonna get rid of this car and let it go. Very shame, because transmission runs great, engine starts up, but it's 4th cylinder missing. Actually, probably more than 4th cylinder missing now, because I think it's like a two cylinders missing now, because it's really bad. It's kind of like shakes bad when you start it up. So that's that ECM right there. We're gonna try to do that, but first we're gonna unhook the battery, and then we go change this thing here. Alright. So that's the size of the socket here, 932 millimeters, inches. So just gonna get this off, unplug the like I mentioned before, make sure you unplug your battery first, and then this. Okay, so we'll see. Alright, we got this. Gotta move out of the way. Come on, stay here. Okay. Now I got this in here. Alright, to unplug this wires connectors, it was going like this. So this thing here, we gotta use a screwdriver and pull this out like this, and then it's like a lock. So whenever it's in, that's locked, but you have to like pull it out to make sure it's disconnect. So that's the only thing. That's the old one here. I'm gonna try hook it up to new one now. Right? So this is new. Let me see. It's like this. Что она снимает? Что она идет? So this is in there. It's locked. Alright, that's disconnect. Now put it in place. This, here's another connector right here. Goes right back in there. And we have a little screw here. I need to screw in. ECM is installed, so now let's say it's plug and play. We're gonna try. I'm gonna wash my hands first. So we're gonna try start it up. If not, we're gonna have to program it, and I'll show you how we're supposed to do that. So to disconnect battery, I use the socket size 5/16. That's the hooking up the battery. A little messy here. This is everyday car. $265,000 miles on it. Hopefully I will reach 500,000. Half a million. Let's see. Let's put this back. Okay, now they say it's supposed to be plug and play, but they told me that's because my car has security system and might have to be programmed. So let's see what happens. Well, starts right up. Check engine light still on. I don't know, I have to drive and see. I think it still has same problem. Okay, this car started up no problem. I think it's still doing the same thing. I'm gonna remove this coil right here and check the I'm gonna check the spark plugs, see how they look like. I went to the store, got me a AC Delca spark plugs. I think that's what they recommend for this car. And this is what it used to be in there. So now on I'm gonna try to do everything is recommended. Okay. See what happens.